Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking these out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have for today, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend meal card trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, so guys, this has been an uptrend for a while, but it has gotten to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it started a downtrend, switching from an uptrend into a downtrend, and of course, it is selling at the moment. Okay, so we expect it to get to somewhere here first. Okay, we expect it to get to somewhere here first. So this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. This is GainX 999, and of course this actually started an uptrend right from here, even though there are pullbacks in between, but it's more of an uptrend than a downtrend. And as you can see, it has gotten to this resistance zone, and once it breaks out above it, it means it's going to buy more. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. This is PayNext 1200. This actually started an uptrend right from here, broke out from this particular resistance zone, and of course, it has gotten to a new resistance zone right here. Okay, so if it should break out above it, it's going to buy more. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. So this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above that. Okay, next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out. This is PayNext 999, still on 15-minute time frame. Started a downtrend right from here, gave us a downtrend signal, and it has been selling since then. Okay, it started this selling activities, I think, about 2 days ago. Okay, and of course, it is still selling till now. Okay, it got to this particular support zone, it was unable to break out from there, so it switched from downtrend into an uptrend, and it is buying at the moment. Okay, so if it should break out above this, then it's going to buy more. But if it does not, it will go back on downtrend. Okay. So for now, it is still buying until it is unable to break out from here, guys. So you should take note of that. So the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. This has been an uptrend right from here. There are pullbacks in between, but it is more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So this is buying at the moment, and we expect it to get to this region. And if it breaks out above it, definitely it's going to buy more. There might be pullback in between, but it's still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. And we should take note of that, okay? So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.